Hello everyone. Today we will discuss HIV AIDS. HIV AIDS. So the HIV. So these are the sexually transmitted disease. It is a transmitted disease. It is a transmitted disease. Mostly sexually transmitted. Mostly, so they are the sexually transmitted. Next one, so the HIV is a transmitted disease. They are mostly sexually transmitted disease. Next one, HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. Human immunodeficiency virus. HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. Next one, the first time, so they are identified the year 1981. First time is identified the 1981. So they identify the USA. So the first time identified the 1981. Next one, so the first 30 years, this 30 years time, so they are spreading to the all over world. So this is they are transmitted all over world. Next one, so the first 30 years they are killing 25 million peoples. They are killing 25 million peoples. They are killing the 25 million peoples. They are killing the persons are the through the HIV AIDS. This disease, they are the past 30 years the killing person number 25 million peoples killing the disease HIV AIDS. Next one, so they are the mode of infection. Next one, mode of infection. So the mode of infection, they are mostly transmitted. So they are the sexually transmitted. So for example, these persons are the HIV patient. So these person involving to the sexual participation. So they are transfer the infection. So they are the mostly transferred from the sexually. Mostly transferred sexually. So they are the mode of infection. So the infection means, so the one person they are causing to the HIV. So the normal person, so the involving to the sexual participation. So the infected person to sharing the non-infected person. So the disease is transmitted from the one person to another person through the sexually they are transmitted. Next one, so they are sharing to the blood donation. For example, so in this person, so this person is normal person. So this person is HIV person. So this person donate the blood. This blood transfer to the normal person. So the normal person causing to the HIV. So the transfer of blood. Transfusion of blood. Next one. So this is another the transfer from the needles, syringes. Like for example, so this person HIV person, so they are the normal person. First of all, this person injection through the needle or needle. So next, this needle removing the same needle using to the another person. So they are transferred through the disease. Their disease transfer through the injections. So they are these disease that do not transfer of the touch and contact. For example, this person, so they are normal person. This person is contact. There is no transfer. Only they are transfer from the sexually transmitted, blood transmission, needles and syringes. Next one, mother to child. mother to child through the placenta. Through the placenta. So the mother and baby. For example, a mother, the HIV patient. So the these disease transfer from the mother to child through the placenta. So they are the mode of the infection. The mostly transfer from the sexually transmission of blood, and injections are needles. Injections are needles and mother to child. So they are the mode of infection. Next one, structure of HIV. Next one, structure of HIV. Next one, structure of HIV. Structure of HIV. So the structure of HIV. So the structure of HIV. See this structure of HIV diagram. So the this HIV virus, they contain a 2SS RNA, single stranded RNA. HIV contain a 2 single stranded RNA. HIV contain 2 single stranded 2 single stranded RNA means ssRNA. SS means single stranded RNA. So the HIV virus, they contain a 2 single stranded RNA. 2 single stranded RNA. Next one, the virus contain a reverse transcriptase enzyme. The virus contain a, it contain a reverse transcriptase enzyme. Transcriptase enzyme. This contain reverse transcriptase enzyme. The virus contain the reverse transcriptase enzyme. So the reverse transcriptase enzyme. Next one, the ssRNA surrounded by the protein coat. ssRNA surrounded by the covered by the protein coat. Protein coat. After the protein coat is covered by the lipid layer. Protein coat covered by lipid layer. Lipid layer covered by the lipid layer. So the in this lipid layer, they are presenting on the 2 types of the glycoproteins. The HIV virus contain 2 types of glycoproteins. They contain 2 types of glycoproteins. So these glycoproteins are the glycoprotein 41 and glycoprotein 120. Glycoprotein 41. So they are the glycoprotein 41 and glycoprotein 120. So these are the glycoprotein 41. So they are glycoprotein 41. They are the glycoprotein 41. So these are these red color lines. So they are the glycoprotein 120. So they are the 2 types of the proteins. Structure of the HIV. The structure of HIV, they contain a 2 single stranded RNA and they contain a reverse transcriptase enzyme. So they are covered by the protein coat. The protein coat is surrounded by the lipid layer. So in this lipid layer contain 2 types of the glycoproteins. One type of the glycoprotein is glycoprotein 41, another one glycoprotein 120. So these glycoproteins functions, so they are attachment of the host cells. Glycoprotein functions help of the attachment of host cells. Glycoprotein function attachment, help of attachment of host cells. So this virus, their attachment of the host cell, they help of the glycoproteins. So they are the structure of HIV. Next one, a mechanism of HIV. Next one, mechanism of HIV. Next one, mechanism of HIV. Mechanism of HIV. So in this mechanism of HIV, so these HIV virus, they are entering to the healthy persons. The virus enters into the healthy persons. So they are entering into the human cells. So they are mainly affecting from the TH cells. They are mainly affecting to the T cells. So they are mainly affecting the TH cells. TH cells, macrophages and natural killer cells. Mainly affecting from the TH cells, natural cells, natural killer cells, natural killer cells, TH cells and natural killer cells and macrophages and macrophages. Macrophages. So they are the TH cells and macrophages, dendritic cells, dendritic cells, dendritic cells. So they are mainly affecting the TH cells. Majorly the HIV virus majorly affecting the TH cells, majorly affecting the T helper cells, T helper cells. So these cells, the HIV virus, they entering to the TH cell, entering to the TH cells. So these ssRNA, they formation of DNA strand, they are formation of single stranded DNA. So these HIV virus, so they are the single stranded RNA. So this virus enters into the human being T helper cells, human being entering into the TH cells. So in this TH cell, after entering, so these RNA synthesize the single stranded DNA, synthesize the single stranded DNA. These single stranded RNA, they are formation of single stranded DNA. After next, they are formation of next another single stranded DNA. Totally, their formation of double stranded DNA is formation of the TH cells. So these ssRNA, they are presenting on the enzyme reverse transcriptase. Using to the reverse transcriptase enzyme, so these ssRNA synthesize the DNA, single stranded DNA. Their complement, their formation of another single stranded DNA. Totally, their formation of double stranded DNA. So they are the virus DNA. Virus DNA, their formation of our TH cells, our TH cells. But the TH cells synthesize the proteins. TH cells synthesize the proteins, but these proteins are the virus proteins. For example, so they are the normal cell. They are the normal cell. So in this cell, they are entering to the HIV virus. HIV virus. So they are presenting on the single stranded RNA. So this single stranded RNA, the help of the reverse transcriptase enzyme, they are formation of one single stranded DNA. Next, their formation of complemented another single stranded DNA. So these virus DNA, their formation of the TH cells, formation of normal the host cell, normal host cell, their formation of DNAs. These are producing to the proteins. They are producing to the proteins, but these proteins are the virus proteins. These DNA producing the proteins. These proteins are the virus proteins. So these proteins are many releasing. Their formation of bud off, formation of bud off. Finally, the TH cell is bursting. The TH cell is killing. So these are called as mechanism of HIV, mechanism of HIV. So they are the killing to the many TH cells, decreasing the many TH cells. So they are causing after HIV is converting to the AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So they are the mechanism of HIV. Simple. So the HIV virus contain a single stranded RNA and reverse transcriptase enzymes. So these single stranded RNA help of the reverse transcriptase enzyme, they are formation of one single stranded DNA. Next, they are opposite the formation of complement DNA. So they are totally formation of double stranded DNA. So these DNA, they formation in the host cells, but that host cell DNA is releasing to the proteins, they are the virus proteins. These proteins number is increases, the cell is bud off and finally bursting. So that decreasing to the TH cell numbering. So they are the mechanism of DNA, mechanism of HIV. Next one, symptoms. Next one, symptoms. So these symptoms, so their expression few months to few years. These symptoms, their expression time few months to few years, 3 years to 5 years time, their symptoms are the expressions. So these symptoms majorly they causing to the fever and loss of weight, fever and loss of air and diarrhea, fever, diarrhea, loss of weight. So they are the symptoms of the HIV virus. Symptoms of the fever, diarrhea, loss of weight. So they are the symptoms of the HIV. Next one, so our body TH cell number is decreases. So the immune system is decreases. So the attacking many foreign particles like bacteria, virus, fungal. So they are infecting, they are causing to the another disease. For example, infected persons, the body decreasing the TH cells. So the TH cell is decreasing, the immune system is decreases. So another foreign particles, bacteria, virus, fungi affecting to the HIV affected persons. So they are the symptoms majorly fever, diarrhea and loss of weight. So after TH cell is decreasing, affecting to the many foreign particles, bacteria, virus and fungi. So they are the symptoms. Next one, diagnose. So this diagnosis, so their diagnosis mainly, so they are the identify the test, ELISA test, enzyme linked sorbent assay, ELISA. Diagnose, they are identify the test, ELISA test. ELISA means enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. So these tests are the screening test. Next one, so they are the another test is the Western blot test. Western blot test. So this Western blot test, so they are the identify the clear of the HIV virus infection. So the just screening test, ELISA. Next one, clear indication of the Western blot test. So these tests are the identification of HIV virus. Next one, prophylaxis. So they are the prophylaxis. So they are the antiretroviral drugs. They are taken of the antiretroviral drugs. Antiretroviral drugs. Taken of the antiretroviral drugs. So these drugs, there is no prevention of the death, but they are the long living time. So the lifetime may increase, but do not prevention of the killing. After a few years, compulsory that person will be die because of the immune system is decreases. So they are the antiretroviral drugs. Next one, prophylaxis. Next one, prophylaxis. So prophylaxis. So the prophylaxis means majorly these disorder causing to the sexually transmitted disease. So unknown persons do not involving the sexual participation. Unknown persons do not participate of the sexual participation or multiple persons. So there is no involving of the multiple persons sexual involving. First one, avoiding to the unknown persons involving to the sex or multiple persons involving to the sex, avoiding these two. Next one, so the blood donation, blood receiving time. So they are first testing HIV test. So the persons are the do not HIV. So the clear testing of the HIV test of the blood transmission. Next one, going to the hospital times. So they are the change of the needles and syringes. So the one person using after, so they are the dustbin. So the one needle using to the do not use to the many persons, only one needle, one syringe using to the only one person. Next one, so they are the prophylaxis, avoiding sex of the unknown persons or multiple persons, and clear test of the HIV test of the blood transmission time, and syringes or needles are using only one needle or one syringe using to the one person. So they are the HIV AIDS. AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. First of all, HIV virus is attacking to the human persons. The human being, the TH cell numbering is decreases. After the HIV is converting to the AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome.